Now I think we should start the session.
ग्रुप में एक बार मैसेज कर दीजिए, सभी लोग ज्वाइन हुए।
So I am going to share my screen.
एक्सेप्ट कीजिए तो क्या दिख रहा है?
Now for hands-on session, you can open your softwares. So I would like to make a practice how it can be done in the software.
अभी तो परेशान हो जाएंगे दीपक जी।
Just wait for 1 minute. We have already circulated the message on WhatsApp group. If anybody want to join, then kindly please join as soon as possible.
कौन है यार? कोई नहीं आया। सर को कर दो।
Since we have already provided the license, so if you want to make a practice, I can suggest you the YouTube channel.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Myself, Ramesh Babu from IIT Guwahati. I didn't go. First session actually we missed with some foreign delegate came to our lab, and we kept in a C drive. I can able to see, sir. And that license, how to open that? I am unable to do, sir. Please help me in this regard.
Is your software installed?
Yes, sir. Install, sir. I can see that Bing and DOC example and material, that part. Device Studio 2021B.
Don't worry. I will provide you the recording of today's session.
उसके बाद 9 ऑडियो
sir.
करेंगे।
So in the evening you can watch the video recorded session.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
टाइम नहीं लगता, मैं कर देता
हाँ, sure, sir.
Just please listen. Your license is valid till 1st January. You can make the practice tomorrow, day after tomorrow, up to 1st January.
Excellent, sir. Excellent. Thanks for your kind concern. Okay, sir.
Now I will start the session. How
Sir,
it
bill
will
में नहीं
work.
करना।
Okay, sir. Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. The same thing also happened to Miss Deepika Bharadwaj from Triple Department from same IIT, sir.
सॉफ्टवेयर नीचे मिलेगा।
She is from our ISS BTB, sir.
Okay, no problem.
For her also same happened. Please do the needful, sir. We are very much gratitude to that. Thank you, sir.
हो गया?
Now
ठीक है सर, अब और करेगा। ठीक
you can visit your YouTube and type Impulse Technology.
हो गया
And
ना?
there
पेस्ट हो गया ना?
you can subscribe our
उसके बाद
channel
आप
so
उसको
that
डिवाइस
future
स्टूडियो
updates,
को ओपन कर
future
दीजिएगा।
videos you can get to know whatever we will prepare the videos
क्या सर?
related to this. So you can subscribe our channel and you can get all notification whatever we organize the webinar, workshop related to this
सर
tools.
वहाँ पे आप पेस्ट
So Impulse Technology that we are based in Gurgaon, Delhi.
फोल्डर वाले में
You can visit this channel.
स्टूडियो ओपन
Past, we have organized many webinars. We have already posted some recording related to this software. So that videos, how you can work in that, how you can practice via the license which we have provided you. So you can visit our videos channel and go to this playlist and there you can find this Nano Academic playlist. Around 17 video is already posted. So once you will see it, you will find a lot of these are all our videos already there. You can watch these videos and you will get to know the complete information about these tools.
क्या सर? सर सेम लिंक से आपको.
And apart from that, how you will also work by yourself. You can visit this Nano Academic Technology, nanoacademic.com.
नंबर नहीं है क्या? क्या नंबर है क्या? हाँ नंबर है.
And on that, you can find, go down on the bottom of the page, you can find this documentation and tutorials. We will going to start the hands-on session.
ज्वाइन कर लिए सर?
Shortly.
ठीक है सर, ठीक है.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
ओके सर, ओके, थैंक यू. कैसे प्रोफेसर लोग बन जाते हैं.
And in that, there is Nano Decal documentation page and tutorial page is there. Theory, getting started, tutorial, all things are there. If you are working on molecular electronics, you can visit this documentation page. Spin devices, these are the documentation page, semiconductor devices, 2D material, photodetectors. Once you follow these steps that is given in these things, then you will get to know. This is step-by-step tutorial. Once you will follow this tutorial, you will learn about these things. How it can be created. So that you can also in the evening, late night or wherever you are free. It is not like on the live you can do it. But if you want to do it, you can also do it live as well. Now, let me start. This is all documentation theory part that you can also keep. Either you can watch the video or you can perform the tutorials. Now I am going to start the hands-on session, so participants can also open their softwares. What you can do, you can go to the C drive where your software is installed. Like in my system, it is installed in C drive Device Studio 2021B. And you can go inside that and click on bin folders. Inside the bin folder, there is a Device Studio application file, exe files. So this is a path where the software is installed. C drive, Device Studio, B and bin folder, and inside this Device Studio is there. Those who don't know, they can open it and click on skip login page without giving any user ID and passwords. This is valid up to 1st of January, that's why it is showing months. And this window will open. If you already have the project, then you can also browse your existing projects. If you want to create new projects from beginning, then you can create new. And wherever you want to save, you can save your projects. And click on save button. On desktop, I have saved and I can maximize my screen. So one by one, you can also do it at your end so that you will become familiar with this tool. I hope this tool will fulfill your achieving the goal. Now I told you, we will go slowly, so that you will become familiar. Otherwise, all of you are very beginners. So I am going slowly.
Even we have a 2
Even
days
we have a
time.
2 days
We
time.
will have
We will
complete
have
knowledge.
complete knowledge. Still after that,
also,
also
you require support.
you require
that we can also
support that we
you.
can also support you.
You can click on file
You can
option
click on
and
file
click on
option and
import
click on
button.
import button.
Now I will. You can
Now
also
I will. You can also
do in your computer.
do in your computer.
You can click on import.
You can click
local.
on import local.
This import online.
With import online, there are a lot of other
there.
features are there.
I click on import.
I click on
local.
import
Local in the sense in your computer,
where the material database
is
is provided by the company.
Since my software
Since
is
my
installed
software is installed in C drive,
Device Studio, and inside this folder,
couple of folders are there.
Even all
examples, documents, bin, material,
neutral atomic database,
pseudo potential.
These all are there.
You can locate
the
the materials library.
रमेश बाबू दूसरी वेट से आ रहा है
I hope everyone
has reached this level.
I will go to the library.
Whatever the material as per your needs,
as per your requirement,
the material you are working on.
That
material
Hello, sir.
you can choose.
Yes, please.
So actually I need the metal oxide TA25, but it is not available in this 3D material metal oxide folder.
So what if
So
material
what
is not
if material is
available?
not available?
As in the first session,
I told you, if any material is not present,
in that case,
like TiO2 is not present,
and
and SNO2 is present, let's suppose, then SN we can change to Ti.
Similarly,
Similarly,
replace
we can
the atom with
replace
new
the
atom.
atom with new atom.
Okay, so thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Understood.
Now this is a material library.
Where whatever materials you want to do the calculations.
You can load
the material
as per your
needs.
It is like
familiarizations workshop. I want to educate you how
tools
this
will help
tools will help you
to do the calculations,
to define the create your material crystal informations,
define your
inputs
and
set up the calculations parameter
and
simulations out.
But research part
can be done
later on.
It is just only to
show you the capability.
show you the capabilities.
Now, whatever material you want to work,
you
can load it.
You can load it. Let's suppose
as an example,
you want to take any other materials.
चलेगी बहुत ट्रेंड की हाँ चैट में
As an example, let's
suppose I want to take gallium arsenide. I'm not saying
you have to choose
gallium arsenide.
Whatever you want to choose,
you can choose as per your needs.
All of you can
load the file.
HZW
is the proprietary format of this company.
But let's suppose
if you have any other file,
CIF,
XSD, postcard,
these files can also be
uploaded directly.
Does it suppose .xyz
Yes.
file?
XO
XYZ dot XYZ file extension file.
I don't know because we don't have that file
But I will tell you one other
options
options
in the demonstration session.
If apart from this format, any other format you have,
then there is one
convert
file
file option is there.
I will demonstrate
you how it will work.
I have not done this format
whatever you are telling. But
Yes, it supports. I have shown, right? It supports.
Great. Then it's great.
Yeah, XYZ.
Okay, XYZ. I could not understand your voice
So this
properly.
XYZ,
So this XYZ you can see here. XYZ
extension
extension is there. You can directly upload.
You can directly upload XYZ, CIF,
You can see here.
You can see
the
here.
option. It is already there.
It is already there.
Now I will click on.
Now I will click on open button.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, my work is based on gold doped cerium oxide nanoparticle. So how can I open the file?
Just first of all,
You can find if material is there in library.
You can find the material.
If it is not there,
then you have to
then
create,
you have to create your
first.
material first.
Okay. In this, I am showing
you the existing
which is
one,
already there.
which is already
But
there.
If any material
But
is
if
not
any
present,
material is not present,
then the material
needs to be
created.
created.
Either you have to create
Either
it,
you have to create
or
it,
you have to
or you have to modify
from the
it
existing
from the existing ones.
On the spot,
It is difficult for everyone where I can create the material for everyone. That is difficult for us. So
the
just
license
the license already provided to you, where you can watch our video, you can try yourself. If after that any support is also required, then we will help you.
Sir, excuse me.
Yeah, please.
Hello, sir.
Please carry on.
Sir, can you take polymer materials in these also?
Yes, you can take.
Yes, you can take polymer also.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, please.
Will you please repeat once you go into the bin?
In a bin folder,
In a bin folder, you can
device
open the device
this
studio,
application.
this application,
and click on
skip login
without giving
the user ID
password.
password. You can skip it
And click on OK.
and click on OK.
This window will be open.
This window will be open.
After that, it is popping window, create a new project or open an existing project.
Since we are starting
from beginning, so you can create a new project.
Okay, sir. After that, you have to give name of
Definitely
Required.
Okay. And where to save this in desktop or anywhere?
as per your choice.
As per your choice.
Okay.
Now once it is
loaded, the material need to be imported.
Either you can
import from library,
or
or
you can import the material from library.
Then you can modify it.
Like let's suppose SNO2 is
there in our library. You can upload it, and SN you can replace with TI.
Or similarly,
all material
in
in the same manner.
where similar kind of
material you can
and then
import,
you can
and then you can replace it.
if the similar material
is not present,
then you can also
create the material.
this crystal as in the first session I told you. If it is
still is not
you
there,
have a XYZ file.
If you have a CIF file,
or you don't have any file, then there is one open source library,
material projects.
One material project
open source library.
From there you can import.
From there you can import.
And the second option
is also there.
Where new material
online it can search.
Currently
there is some API
function is
disabled in your license.
But in purchased license
it will be enabled.
It will search the material
from
material projects
open source library.
In current version it is disabled
because it is not a purchased license. It is a limited license.
But features
support once you will buy it, it is a commercial software that needs to be purchased by the institute.
So this material project
once you will note down here, I can show you like a TiO2 or any other material. Once you will type
in this, you will search it. The new material can be connected and combination will be provided in a complete
licensed version.
So I hope
everybody have
imported the
material from library.
Now once it is loaded the material, then you can
click on simulator.
And click on this
nano decal
and go to SCF
calculations.
Once you click on
SCF calculation, this window will open.
And here
you can define
your
electron temperature value.
Default is
300 Kelvin is given.
You can define your
energy cutoff.
You can open your software
and do the same steps as per your needs.
You have to do the research.
You have to do the parameter, your input edge
requirements.
for your requirements.
These are all
DFT self-consistent calculation parameters.
So you can make the
practice and select the particular exchange correlation functions.
Theory, you can
Google it.
Check on our
website documentation. What is the meaning? Every theoretical parts you can
see it on your own resources. But I am going to demonstrate you how this software can be
helpful for your research.
Not a theoretical part.
सब लोग के पास होगा तभी तो करेंगे.
Now here I can
define the number of key point sampling.
How many it is required?
Depend on the iteration points.
नहीं कुछ नहीं.
Then go to the iteration
जब आपको
control.
कैलकुलेशन करना होगा तो आप डाउनलोड करके
Choose it default parameter. It will solve the simultaneous
equations first.
स्पिन करें, टाइपिंग कर, कंडक्टेंस सभी.
So all methods are already
parameters are defined.
We can go to the
basis sets.
Basis sets are default selected for arsenide
and gallium.
In our case, in your case, whatever the material, it is already selected. But if you want to change it, just simply click on user defined. And from the library, the basis sets can be changed.
कुछ बोल नहीं गए.
This is the library.
From there, you can select the basis sets
as per your
material wise.
रिप्लेस कर दीजिए.
हाँ चलिए सर.
दिखा रहे हैं.
है ना.
Now we can select
the neutral atomic database as per the needs.
I am taking the
default one.
Yeah, nano D reduction nano spell is nano spell is placing and closing automatically and I type to import the
I click on
spin type.
Initially, I don't want to include any spin effect. I click on generate file. You can also try at your ends.
just no.
Hello, good afternoon, sir. Sir Deepak, yes. Okay. So, sir.
I click on generate.
Once I click on it, folder,
gallium arsenide
and crystal has generated.
And once I click on it, this STF input file has
generated.
Sir, I could not generate the escape.input file. GAS and Crystal generated. How to generate the dot input file?
This is dot input
file only.
I click, but it could not come. The other two options come. That is GAS and Crystal.
Once you
click on this arrow button.
Okay.
Click on arrow, you will find this.
Inside this arrow,
STF input file is there.
Okay,
Yes,
understand. Okay, understand.
Hello, yes, sir. Yes, sir, you can send me the any disk ID.
Now I want to.
If I want to
Relax the structure,
I can go to the
simulator.
Just one second, sir.
Nano decal
and bend to the relax.
Sir, 1 second, just 1 second.
This is relax calculation
for this crystal.
All parameters are same. Only I will reach to this relax feature and select to CG in the method option. And uncheck this box.
So what is this CG method and MG method?
CG is
conjugated gradients.
MD is molecular dynamics, I think. Usually here we will use CG
only.
Molecular dynamics will be
integrated with LAMPS.
Okay.
Sir, basic settings will be remain as usual.
In our case, I have keep usual. But it's depend on your research. Whenever you want to change, it can be changed.
Okay, understand.
And click on generate file. So this is relax file dot and this is when SCF input file.
मैंने आपको एक लिंक सेंड कर रहा हूँ.
You can open both the file and you can also compare whenever you want to compare. Only there are two main script files. One is called SCF input file and second one is called relax.input file. In this first there is difference only in first this row. Because we have added this relaxation and conjugated gradients. If anybody wants to become an expert in writing the course,
in writing the
you can
course,
also do it
you
from
can also do it
the
from
script as well.
the script as well.
I want to close this.
I want to close this
script of
both
the input
script
file.
of the input file.
This was just for your
This was just for
information.
your information.
Now I can right click
Now I
and
can
run
right click
the
and
file.
run the file.
You can try to run
You can
both
try
the file.
to run both the file.
Right click and
Right click
click on run
and
button.
click on run button.
You can see
You can see
automatically
it will reach
job
in this
manager
page job
task.
manager task.
Just right click.
Just
and
right
click
click
on run.
and click on run.
You can take
You
default
can take default
parameter. Default gateway.
Default gateway.
इसको डालिए 192 वहाँ पे 192 557 69
Sir, should I run both
Sir, should I run both or only scf.input?
You can run both.
You can run both.
Or SCF input
Or
file.
SCF input file initially you can run it. Tomorrow you can perform this relaxation. Today because maybe some
relaxation issue.
relaxation issue.
Today only perform this
SCF input
Tomorrow
file.
you can also
Tomorrow you can also
perform this relaxation input as well.
relaxation input as well.
In your
license,
license,
maybe some relaxation
issue, but my
is relaxed. We will provide you one file
where you can also
where you can also
your
relax
structures.
your structures.
Only just run the
SCF input file.
Once the calculation
finished, you can see the simulation has finished.
Sir, I am not able to download it. Sir.
What?
After completing the status that is finished, then in action there is download option, but I am not able to download it.
There is no need to download.
There is no need to download. I have not told you to download anything.
It is not.
It is not necessary.
It's running now.
It's running now.
No problem. Just
No
wait
problem. Just wait it. Let it finish.
Nothing necessary to
Nothing
download.
necessary to
It is not
download.
compulsory.
It is not compulsory.
Sir, can't we see the SCF convergence plot here?
SCF convergence
SCF convergence plot.
There should be a plot in which the SCF could converge now.
log file you can
Log
check.
file you can
SCF
check.
calculation
SCF calculation log
check.
file you can check.
Okay. No graph is working.
No graph is working.
Okay, log file I got.
Okay, log file I got.
Sorry.
I got the log file.
I got the log file, but not the graph. That's the
Convergence
Convergence
plot will not be plotted
here.
here.
You will plot the band
density of
structure,
state.
density of state.
This plot will be done.
This plot will be done.
Not convergence plot.
Not convergence plot.
Sir, both the
calculations finished, but I am not getting atoms relax.xyz.
Tomorrow you will get it.
We will provide you one updated
of the
file
nanodecal.
of the nanodecal.
Then tomorrow you will get the
relaxed file.
Okay.
Only just you can
learn it today. Advanced things will be covered up
tomorrow's session.
in tomorrow's session.
हेलो
Yes.
ये हम एनालिसिस कहाँ पे देखेंगे इसका?
सर अभी उसी पे
हम जा रहे हैं. We are
Acha,
doing
acha.
same step.
Only we are
Considering all the participants in same path.
Now, first of all,
I will go to the simulator and analysis part.
in the analysis
In the analysis window, once you select it, select the output strings.
Now, once you
selected it, you can see the symmetry key points U, X, G, X, W, K, and default symmetry points.
and number of key points
200.
And this is
a path,
the
Lian-Jones path.
The points can be added,
deleted, coordinate points can be changed,
location
can be changed.
These are the options.
Are there.
इसमें कुछ दूसरा मटेरियल अपलोड किया है होशियार लोग में रहता हूँ अच्छी इसमें नहीं
Now, if you want
to calculate only band structure,
then you can select
only one.
If you want to select
multiple analysis file,
let's suppose
potential,
then you can select the
potentials also.
हेलो सर
Once I click on potential, what kind of potential you want to plot? Effective, heart rate,
section correlation,
neutral atomic potential.
दोबारा डाउनलोड करने से क्या फायदा
Then click on
generate file.
You can also do it same in your computer.
एक में लाइसेंस पेस्ट किया एक में नहीं किया है आज जिसमें नहीं किया उसी को ओपन कर रहा है
Now our input file has
come.
Band structure dot input,
potential dot input. These are our calculation input file that we will do the simulation
and
analyze our results.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, how to run this calculation, sir? I missed it.
Just right click
and click on run button.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Just right click on
band structure dot input file.
And click on run button. Once you click on it,
Okay, got it, sir. Thank you.
you can
select the number of parallel cores. Initially, this version is restricted for one core.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Anybody want to ask?
Excuse me, sir.
Hello.
Yeah, please.
From where you go to analysis?
You can
bend to the simulator,
nano decals,
and analysis.
Thank you.
Is it possible to run this job in external nodes?
External dots
External dots in the sense?
external supercomputer, not in the own system where I am
Yeah,
doing this.
definitely.
Yeah, definitely. It is also possible to run the calculation on your computer. But once you will purchase it, institute will purchase, then cluster license can be provided.
It is just like
It is just like
your
for
education only,
educate only, that what are the capability exist.
But it is possible.
But it is possible to run on cluster.
On
On
remote,
let's suppose
machine you want to run,
machine you want to
that is
run,
possible.
that is possible.
भैया तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं होता सिस्टम को दिखा सकते
Now band structure
Dot input, I will right click and click on run button.
And since this
And since this license is restricted for one core only,
because
it is just only to educate you.
But once you have
Purchased it,
we will provide you the
parallel license so that multiple core of your computer can be utilized. You will get faster speed.
Once the number of
atom will be increases,
then simulation may take some time. But when license is parallel, then it will reduce your time. That's why this
parallel option is given.
In my computer,
8 core, but in your computer maybe 4 core.
4 core may be showing.
4 core may be showing.
Maximum 8
core I can define, but only one core is utilized because it is just to only
make it
familiar with the softwares.
Now I will click on run button. Once you will like this software, you will use this software, you will become familiar. Then you can approach your departments to arrange some funding. So you just
can explore in these 2 days how this tool can be either it is beneficial for your research or this is not much required like that.
Now I have run this
band structure.input file. Then this band structure.xml that is called my output file will automatically generate.
So,
Yeah, please.
sir, that bad structure I have run it, and now it is finished, but I didn't get that band structure.xml file.
It is not generated.
It is not generated.
Same problem, sir.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Sir, I have the same problem. It shows finish as the status of the band structure input file, but there is no XML file. Yes, sir. Same problem.
After few seconds, it will be generated.
After few
seconds it will be generated.
इनका चल रहा होगा
ये तो हमने ओनली कर दिया था
Yes, sir, we are not getting the output file, sir. It is showing finished, but it is not retrieving.
Which
Which SCF input file has finished the calculation or band structure have finished the calculation?
All of them.
All of them has completed, but the files are not downloaded, sir.
सबसे पूछे किसी का
no need to download.
No need to download. Download is not necessary. You may be clicking on action button and trying to download.
Yeah, sir.
So .xml file is not. We are not getting .xml file. Yes, sir.
What we have to do, just you suggest that one, sir.
No issue.
No issue. After this demo, I'll see you what is the problem in your computer,
and then
I will show you. Initially, you will learn it how it can be done,
and then later on
you can also try.
Sir, while I was doing this simultaneously in the previous session, there I was getting this XML file, but at this point it is not generating.
maybe some mistake
You have done, but I cannot take everyone's computer
in this session.
After this session, we can see it.
किसका है बताइए ना हम कर देते हैं
In some of
This is only DST of state XML file generated and not band structure and others.
which XML file?
Which XML file generated?
Density of state.
No, if you will select
Not
if you will select
not for band structure.
but if you in the
but if you in the analysis part, if you will select the
density of state,
density of state,
then definitely
then definitely density of state XML file will
If you
generate.
will
If you will
It is
select
generated, but not for band structure and for non-band structure in others.
yes,
But also
yes,
I try to run.
yes,
Only the density of state file is getting XML file as output, and no other file.
definitely there will
definitely there will be some restriction in the license. There will it is just on to but feature all are supported. Whatever the feature we are showing here, all are possible in the software. It is just to only to educate you what are the features are available. Once you will have the license version, full license version, then it will be possible to generate all the code, whatever it is showing on the screen.
At least for training purpose, you should have given full license.
That we will
That
try
we
in the
will
next session.
try in the next session. In next session, we will try
provide you the
to provide you the full versions.
Keep patient for this
Keep
month.
patient
Next
for
month,
this month. Next
will try
month,
to arrange.
we will try to arrange that.
टेंडर तो पास हो गया
Now the file has
generated. Some of the file has generated.
If you have selected the multiple
analysis input file,
then some of the file has
generated in MATLAB format,
which can open
the
the
analysis in MATLAB.
Since it is
Since it is
MATLAB
written
and
in
C,
MATLAB and C,
some output will be
visualize or open the data in MATLAB.
Those who have get
this band structure.xml, they can
click on it and
click on show view.
I hope people are getting
able to generate the band structure data.
Got sir.
Great.
ओपनिंग हो गया सिस्टम
so whatever
the output I have shown you analysis part, all are possible in the software. Restriction will be there little
because
bit. That is a license version which needs to be purchased
by the customers.
एक मिनट वहीं पर है
and this data
if you want to export it,
you can
simply click on export button.
देखिए ये दो बार किए थे क्या फायदा
तो PNG format JPG PDF TIFF these
format you can export.
in text format
I have selected it
and click on
save button.
इसमें वर्क पर लगा किसी को टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है इस नंबर पर
Sir, how to export the data kindly? Can you repeat, please?
right click on it
and click on show view.
Okay. And how to export?
there is a button
This arrow.
you can see my
Okay, sir.
you can click on it
and save wherever you want to save, you can save it.
if you want to zoom particular points,
you can simply hold the right button
and draw the rectangle. hold
the right button
and
draw the rectangle.
on particular
Brilliant Jones root point,
you can find the
band gap.
Now similarly,
all
all
analysis input file, it can be selected in the license version, full version, and you can plot all part.
इतना डाउनलोड करने के लिए सिस्टम
करें
इतना फाइल नहीं डाउनलोड कर सकते.
So if you want to run this,
potential, you can right click and click on run button.
पता चलेगा ना कि क्या है.
Sir, how can get the plots of band structure you have shown?
Right. You are not able to get
it.
Sir. Yes, sir.
So you can direct
coordinate with my technical team that you can
number is already
posted in WhatsApp group.
You can communicate with
them, and they will definitely help you.
I don't know what
mistake you are doing at your computer, and it is difficult for me to take remote access of your computer and try to understand the problem during the live session. After this demo, I can definitely try what are the mistakes you are doing.
Sure.
And click on run button.
It will execute. It will show you the program is running.
Okay.
And this DSF file has generated effective potential.dsf.
I can take the access of your system and we can resolve whatever problem I was in the system.
I right click and click on
show view.
Sir, can you hear me? So sir, please share me the any desk ID or team viewer ID so that we can take the access of your system and we can resolve whatever problems are. Any desk ID.
You can hold
the right button and move the cursor
to visualize
in any direction.
Hold the right button
and move the cursor.
You can also
click on this home button.
In any
3D view, you can see your output.
This is my WhatsApp number, sir. You can see it. Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you. Team viewer है?
व्यूअर भी चाहिए इसको. एनी टेस्ट नहीं करना.
टीम व्यूअर करने नहीं मेरे टीम व्यूअर है. आज होगा टीम व्यूअर.
So by jet plane,
XJet plane, whatever the plane you want to visualize, it can be seen.
So this is
3D model.
If you want to see the output,
simply click on this dot, 2D dot.
व्यूअर कौन देगा?
If you could see a team video of this session after finish.
You can see this
color mapping as per the needs.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, in your band structure, there are some band crossing, right? But I have used the same input files, but in my file there is no band crossing.
You have used
same input file
and
generated the input file as cf.input, right?
Right.
And run the simulation.
Yes.
And then after that,
what you did?
After that, I have just run the simulation and that XML file generated, and I have opened and saw that. XML file and show view. Then there is no band crossing or happens.
There may be some
mistake you have done it.
Okay. Otherwise,
whatever the license you have, same license I have.
some mistakes
you can
communicate with my that person
in the
chat box. I can
give you that number.
give you that
communicate
number.
with
You can
them,
communicate with them. He will understand the
The
problem.
number is already given
The number
in
is already
WhatsApp
given in
group.
WhatsApp group.
Yes, I got the plot. Yes, I got the plot, sir. Thank you.
Great.
So many participants.
So many
have already
participants have
getting the
already
plot.
getting the
But
plot.
if any person
But if any persons have any issues,
they can communicate.
they can communicate. Some mistakes may
done by
be
yourself
done by
because
yourself
you are
because
the first
you are the
beginners.
first beginners
And something may be
not selected by you. That's why the output may be some problem
at your computer.
at your computer. Otherwise, many people
people
are getting the plots.
After this webinar,
After this webinar,
we can also see
we can also see what mistake you have done, and we will try to resolve your problems.
And similarly,
The one-dimensional plot you can also see.
Sir, what the problem you have faced during the simulation? Can you say? And open
I want to close it.
I want to close it.
This is simple.
This is simple single
that
crystal that I have imported from my library
and run the
simulation
and
selected the analysis input file
want to create.
and run it
and calculated the band structure and
Then you
refractive
can-
potential.
Yes, sir.
I
Then
hope
you can
every
follow-
I hope every
participant
participant have done the similar
procedure
and
maybe
maybe get it the
If
plot.
anyone have any
If anyone
issue,
have any
you
issue,
can also communicate
you can also communicate with my technical teams.
We can help you.
I can help you. After this webinar, I can also able to
and
help
you
you.
can go into the import option. Yes, you can import the material from the database. Yes. Yes, sir, import local. You can select import local. And then you can go into the bin folder.
Now, if you want
Now, if you want to
to create
create
the other
the
type of
other
structures,
type of
Back and you
structure,
can go into the
this is a builder tool.
bin folder. You can look at the bin folder.
Okay.
this builder tool
This
will
builder
help
tool
you
will help you to build your complicated
You can back
structures.
and you can go to the bin folder. And in the bin folder, the material
As you can
folder.
see,
As you can see, device,
your material can
your material can be converted to device.
Once your device
Once
is ready,
your device is ready, you can also
device,
bend your device,
bending on particular
angle.
you can also bend
You can also bend the left
right
electrode, right electrode.
that bending can be done. Some advanced
training session will also be demonstrated tomorrow by my colleague Deepak Upadhyay. He will demonstrate you the advanced features. But today's session, just to be familiar with this
how
tool,
these tools can be
help to save your time in writing the script or coding.
user interface
Save lot of your time, and you can concentrate
on your
physics or your background models.
Can you open it? Like you can go into the device studio. Where
So if you want to make
So if you want to make any kind of other crystals, redefine crystals, surface, symmetry, molecule, decomposition, graphene nanotube, graphene nanoribbon, nanotube, grain boundary, disorder, zinc blend, icosoaptron, cubeaptron, and convert file any other formats.
Whatever material you want, like 3D material, 2D, 0D, and some semiconductor is there. So, okay, you can select 2D material.
Let's suppose
you want to repeat this same crystal, or any other crystal can also be repeated.
you can click on
redefine crystal.
So you can click yes.
the same crystal
I want to again define, repeat in A direction, B direction, or C direction.
that's why this
new cell vector
as
a linear combination of current cell vector ABC.
And then you can import from the bottom of the page. You can select okay.
Hi sir. What is this
No, sir, you can select this
FCB, BCG in this device modeling?
You have reached to the
You have
advanced
reached to the
level.
advanced level.
Just to
Just
concentrate
to
on
concentrate
the
on
demo
the
part which I am
demo
trying
part
to
which I
cover.
am trying to
Tomorrow
cover.
session you will
Tomorrow
understand
session
the
you will
BCT,
understand the BCT, FCB, FCBC that will be
Sir,
demonstrated
could
by
you share
tomorrow.
the any desk ID or team viewer so that we can take the access and we can show you.
Now here you can repeat
Repeat in that multiple times if you want to repeat in
A
A direction 5 times or 10 times.
Similarly,
This is the
Similarly,
remote
B
in
direction,
B direction,
that number of times
that number of times you can repeat it 5 by 5 or as per the needs.
in the beginning,
In the
take it
beginning,
lower
take
as
it
much
lower
as
as much as
because
whenever you will take
the higher one,
you
you will run the
and you will run the calculation whenever the number of atom increases,
the simulation
the
time
simulation times
will increase.
increases.
That's why
Take minimum
repetition.
repetition.
So if you want to
create this repetition, like I'm reducing it so that the simulation time will also be get it reduced.
So I'm
So I'm redefining the same gallium
crystals.
arsenide crystals.
I click on this
I click on this build button.
You can also click on
build and this new gallium arsenide crystal .hzw file has created.
So I have minimized
this by
clicking on this
clicking
arrow
on
button.
this arrow button.
First gallium
arsenide all input and output file is there in this project.
So I can minimize this.
So I can minimize. This is my second gallium arsenide. Redefine the crystal. Same crystal I defined again. Similarly,
for any
material you can redefine.
And this is a zoom
And
option.
this is a zoom option. You can zoom your
atomic also.
For zooming,
Just click on this option
and
and
hold the left button
and scroll
up and down. Hold the left button and scroll up and down.
And for rotation,
hold the right button
and rotate it.
This is just for the visualization at which angle degree you want to visualize
for that purpose only.
for that purpose only.
Now you can see the
number of atoms in this particular unit cell are around 18 atoms are there. 406 is the lattice size and these are the vector coordinate points A, B, C, X, Y, Z coordinate points.
If you want to
simulate it, similar procedure need to be followed.
But before that,
I want to add some doping.
Now what I want to do,
I want to create the defect.
To creating the defect,
either I can delete the atom
or I can
replace the atom
or
I can move the atom
so that
so that structural defects can be created.
Let's suppose
you want to create the defect. You can select by clicking on particular atom. Any atom you can select and click.
by
yellow color it will get selected.
And this is a delete button. Now the atom has
got deleted from the seats.
You can click on
this black screen.
Click on
black screen.
That will
enable this undo feature.
If you want to do the
undo, redo,
you can click on undo.
That will become if anything happen by mistake.
You can
undo it.
So that you can go to
the same previous stage.
Now atom has been
backed.
Now click on again that atom.
This time if you want to replace it, I did not simulate.
But it can be simulated.
The license is already provided to you. You can do your experiment later on.
Now click on this
replace button. You can see this one is called replace.
This is a
replace atom.
Click on it.
If you want to add the doping, select what kind of material you want to dope.
You can select
N-type, P-type, any material from the periodic table.
I selected
this as an example magnesium and click on OK.
Now the color
of this particular atom has also changed so that you can identify.
How the defect
can be created that you have understood, I think.
First मैं निकल रहा हूँ यहाँ से. Can you meet at Starbucks?
So
not only delete or replace the atom,
there is
option called move the atoms,
and more than
two atoms can be rotated.
More than two atoms
once you select it.
How it will get selected?
Just left click
and draw the rectangle.
Or
you can click on
one atom,
with control and second atom. First atom,
then control press, second atom will get selected. First atom,
press control, long press control,
then select the atom. And this rotate atom feature will be enabled.
Where at
any angle degree you can rotate the atom.
लाइसेंस फाइल द्वारा पेस्ट कर इंस्टॉल करके द्वारा से लाइसेंस फाइल कैसे होगा इसके लिए लाइसेंस को द्वारा से करो तो लाइसेंस फाइल कैसे होगा
clockwise, anti-clockwise, 45 default is given, but if you want to rotate at 30 degree, 60 degree, whatever the angle you want to rotate, it can be rotated.
Once you will place it,
it will rotate like that.
Now
if you want to simulate this structure,
you can go to the simulator and click on nano decal
and SCF calculations.
And take the
default parameter, but if anybody want to change, it can also change.
Click on generate
file.
वहीं से डाउनलोड कर लेना.
Now for this new crystal, this gallium arsenide file has generated. Click on this arrow. You will get this SCF dot input. To run the file, same procedure you have to follow. Right click and click on run button. And run the program. In bottom of this page, the calculation will be showing it is running. Since the number of atoms has been increased from previous one, it may take some little time more. Calculation log file has generated. You can open to visualize your simulation log file. Once the simulation will finish, then we will see here how much time it took to run the calculations. So let it wait. In the meantime, you can also explore with your tool.
कहाँ क्या ये फॉर्मेट क्या है इनका?
I can select my analysis also and put it in the queue so that I will not have to execute once finish over the calculation. So to do that, yeah, please.
Sir, please show the total energy calculation.
Okay. 1 minute. Let it finish the calculation. Then we'll show you even tomorrow session is also there. Whatever your rest question will be there, that will be shown you by tomorrow session for the advanced one.
Sir, is it possible to do the analysis section before finishing of the job?
That is not possible because once this job is finished, then output of this job will be taken in the analysis input file.
Yes, that I am saying. Okay.
So I have selected two file band structure and total energy. And parallelly, I can put it into the queue. So that again I have not to. I don't know when this calculation will finish. That's why I want to put into queue. In the evening, whenever you went to home, you can put into queue your analysis input. Multiple file you can put into queue. I can paste this home button to fit my structure in the screen.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So suppose after constructing a particular structure, I have done a shape calculation, band structure calculation, those things. Then in the same structure, I am making some changes. After that, do I need to make another file? Because while I am doing SCF calculation or band structure calculation on top of that, that is not taking into account. Are you able to follow my question?
Can you repeat again?
Suppose in the structure what you have done, after changing some of the atoms, if you start to do band structure calculation on top of this calculation, then that calculation will not be taken into account.
Like these are
the multiple input file you can create.
You can
create multiple copy
and
you can change
the atomic
structures
as per your needs.
Then multiple, whenever you will change it,
Then you have to run it.
And multiple projects can be created.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
You can see this
is a copy button. If somebody want to take copy or want to modify it, just right click and click on copy button.
This is a new file name
that you can define the same crystal.
This gallium arsenide
redefined .hjw and this copy one. Both are same. But in this particular atom, if you want to not do the magnesium, you want to do any other doping, you can select the multiple file. It is now. You can see this is a boron dope.
And then you can run
this project as well.
Now you can see the
calculation has finished for this 18 atom gallium arsenide crystals.
You can see this
SCF input file, band structure and total energy.
So I would like to show the
band structure. Then we'll go for the
this is like band structure
for gallium arsenide.
I hope it is clear till now.
If we talk about the total energy,
I can right click
and open containing folder. Containing folder. The project folder where all this input file and output file are stored.
This folder will be opened
by clicking on this open containing folder.
Now this is our
folder
on desktop
hands-on session
gallium arsenide
crystal.
This is total energy
input file.
In
MATLAB it will generated.
This is total energy
Microsoft Access table.
So in that
MATLAB,
all data will be
stored and calculated.
So not only
the XML file, the data will generate.
If you are using
Origin or MATLAB. Parallelly, it will also generate the
MATLAB file,
MAT file, Microsoft Access table.
You can see
for band structure also file is generated and
XML
XML file is also generated.
या ऐसा करो उसको उस पर ड्राइव पे रख दो
उसको सर अपलोड करने में आपको टाइम लगेगा.
Some of the
output will be calculated in MATLAB. If anybody,
mostly all people have
MATLAB or Origin, the file can also be open in Origin.
If you don't have
a MATLAB, you can also try to install your MATLAB, or you can visualize your output in tomorrow session in MATLAB as well.
उसको लिंक दे देना, डाउनलोड कर लेंगे.
हम वीडियो सेंड कर देंगे, वो कर लेंगे. अपने समझ आएगा.
Now this is about
how it can be done in this now.
If you want to
create
other structures,
you can also create one
structure
interface.
So how you will do
it?
You can import
the material first.
आज ये दिक्कत क्यों आई है लोगों ने? क्योंकि
you can import click on import local and import the
material from the library.
We will try to
create the infrastructure interface
in
between two material. So you can
do the practice,
take the hands-on session,
go to the library
and click on import button.
This path
you can visit in your computer. Those who are having band structure problem, they can also try other things.
In that you can go
to this conductor and pure metal.
You can open this
ag.html file. Click on open it.
It is now
opened and loaded.
कौन रहे कौन नहीं है. हमारा रमेश बाबू नहीं होंगे, ये अपनी थीसिस सबमिट करके जाने वाले. ये वाला स्लोन शर्मा शिंताड़ा विश्लेषण देगा. लड़का समझ गया.
and click on
interface builder.
शेयर प्लीज कर.
just a minute. So what I did, just click on this
build option and click on interface builder.
जिसको करना हो डाउनलोड करेंगे.
तुम तो अपने तरफ से मैसेज डाल देना, जिसको करना हो कर ले.
and here you can select the structure A and structure B. Now these are all materials that we have loaded in our projects. But I want to make the interface in between gold and silver. So you can select the first structure as a silver or gold anything,
and second structure B is equal to gold.
Structure A is equal to
Structure A
silver,
is equal to silver, structure B is equal to gold.
दूसरा लोगों में आया
These are some other
Constant are there. Number of times repetition in N and M times 6 time repetition. You can rotate also this can angle rotation, increment with particular angle, strain on first surface, strain on second surface, strain on both surface.
फोन नहीं कर पाते
Click on match.
seeing the output file output file कहाँ पर है
Sir, I select both the structures, that is silver and gold. And then what should I do?
You have to click on this match button.
देख रही है ना
Match where, sir?
It is there. Black screen below the back screen.
Okay.
And see the preview. Then click on preview button on this left side bottom.
You can click on match,
then click on preview. It will view your output in this black screen. You can
hold
the right button and move it.
If anybody
has click on match and preview, then definitely your output will be visualized. Click on build on the right bottom side. Right bottom build option is there. Once you click on this build button, your
silver and gold
interface is ready.
You can hold the right button
and then move it.
Inside the
3D material, there is pure metal data is there.
Hello, yes, sir. Hello, sir, can you hear me?
Those who didn't
find the pure metal.
So, sir, what the problem we have got?
Inside this
3D material.
Sir, regarding nanoparticles.
You can go to this
3D material
and conductor
and then pure metal.
Yes, sir. Hello.
This is all
library of material. Just explore the tool. You can become an expert because in 1 day or 2 days you cannot become more.
But once you have
the full-fledged license version, which can be purchased by the institute, then you can be definitely helpful.
Open the 3D material. And whenever you open the 3D material, on the top
now this is interface.
But around 88 atoms are there in this interface, which may take some time
in the calculations. So I
want to delete some atom
because I want to reduce
my
simulation time. For deleting same thing need to be processed. You have to select and hold the button and draw the rectangles. Hold the left button and draw the rectangle.
चिड़ियों की आवाज कहाँ से आ रही है
Just hold the left
Just
button
hold
like
the left
that
button like that
and draw the rectangle.
and draw the rectangle.
It will get selected.
It will
the
get
atoms.
selected the atoms.
And please
And
delete
please
button.
delete button.
So this is now vacuum.
This is now vacuum is remaining. If you want to reduce the vacuum,
you can make it
centrally also this one.
Select it by drawing the rectangle.
You can also reduce the vacuum by clicking on this fit cell.
So if this vacuum
So if this vacuum you want to reduce, you can right click, left click and select all atom.
left click
Left click and select all atom
and select this fit
and
cell.
select this fit cell.
Now the vacuum has
Been gone.
It will fit in the
It will
cell.
fit
All
in the
atom
cell.
will
All
fit
atom
in
will
the
fit,
cell.
fit in the cell.
Now from 88
atom, now only 36 are remaining.
Some atom I have
deleted it.
Similarly,
the area of lattice is also reduced.
Now follow the same
procedure.
Nanodecal,
Nanodecal,
SCF
SCF calculations.
and generate the file.
And generate the files.
It will generate the
interface crystal
.scf
input files.
and click on run button. This interface
calculation will be
running.
Our tomorrow session will be basically on device calculations.
And you can see there
are a lot of other features also there
in the simulator.
VASP interface is there. LAMP interface.
Quantum X ratio
interface. Gaussian interface. UCHAM interface.
Third party integration
is also there.
And this is one
OBE2. OBE2 is like
graphics tool
for more
picture
resolutions.
Output is not coming in
proper resolution.
It is also
integrated with OBE2.
The open
visualization tool. This is like it can also be integrated with this open visualization.
Somebody
asked in the first slot
the
graphics that output resolution. You can visit about this OBE2. You will get to know it is integrated with that. The proper output data you can export from
Device Studio
and you can load in this OBE2. It will visualize your data properly. The device output is having extra. It is not. This screen analysis window is not the device output. It is only the material output. IV calculations, thermoelectric, and transmission coefficient, photocurrent. These are the device outputs which will be demonstrated by tomorrow.
Sir, phonon density of states.
Yeah, it is also
possible to calculate in the software. So this basically
But I am unable to give
definitely you will just in first day you are learning the basic things. But software please.
Sir, is it possible to calculate the organic molecules as we do in the Gaussian?
Orbital molecule.
For the
organic molecules, as we do in the Gaussian software.
Definitely.
You can first of all integrate with the Gaussian also.
This is Gaussian
integration is also there.
XYZ or
CIF file I think in there in Gaussian that you can import here.
So this is
basically for fully Gaussian
integration.
Okay, I will try with this and I will let you know by tomorrow.
यहाँ से आप नहीं कर सकते, यहाँ ये तो केवल इंटरफेस से चलेगा, यहाँ से जनरेट नहीं कर सकते आप फाइल। मॉलिक्यूल का भी एक कर दीजिए, एग्जांपल दिखा दें। मॉलिक्यूल, हाँ मॉलिक्यूल स्ट्रक्चर। कोई एक स्ट्रक्चर बना के दिखा दें, अभी तक तो दिखाया नहीं। ये मॉलिक्यूल दिखा सकते हैं।
So these are all input files for analysis for this. These are all possible. It's not like that it is not possible. All are possible. We will cover up one by one. All things will be cleared. For distance measurement, as I told you, these are in the last 4, 5, 1. These are distance measurement tool, where you can measure the distance from one atom to another atom.
You can measure the
plane, angle, vector, and linker bond calculations.
नहीं दूंगा हम लोग को ऐसे करने के लिए, लोग अपना कर रहे हैं देख के।
शुरू के 2 घंटे में तो बहुत कुछ दिख जाएगा, बाद में तो तुम बनाते हो।
शुरू के 2 घंटे में मैं पूरा कवर कर दूंगा, मॉलिक्यूल, क्रिस्टल, डिवाइस सब कवर कर दूंगा।
To measure the
distance, click on this distance measurement button and select first atom, then press Ctrl and select next atom.
Click on first atom,
press Ctrl
and then click on next
atom.
It will measure the
distance 4.1014 something angstrom distance is showing.
And these toolbar
all features are there. Either you want to add the new atom
in between two
atom.
You can see this is a
add new atom in between two atom. New atom can be added.
And this is
Z matrix bond length
in between
the gold and silver
atom or any two atom
bond length measurements.
This tool is there.
As I already explained, this rotate, move, mirror,
stretch
cell, XYZ.
If you want to convert this crystal in like remove the unit cell, then this button is there. Convert to molecule. So molecule can be converted into the device, and device can be converted into the crystal, and crystal can be converted into the molecule, and crystal can also convert into the device. These three features are there, which will convert your crystal to molecule by removing the lattice. This will convert to crystal. Your molecule can convert into the crystal, and your material can be converted into the device. This is a conversion tool. Conversion feature, distance measurement feature, rotate mirror, fit screen. These are the features. If you want to convert it, simply click on this convert to molecule. The lattice will be removed. Let us see our calculation log file. Right click and click on open with. You can see the calculation is running. If you are talking about molecule, I would like to load one molecule here. Import local. This is molecule. Either you want to take amorphous, like polyethylene. This is one molecule. Around 5,000 atoms are there. Hydrogen atoms and carbon atoms. So this is all molecular materials.
इन्होंने पहले लाइसेंस यूज नहीं करवाया था, उसी वजह से अब वही लाइसेंस चल गया इनके पास ना, हम 1000 दिए थे अरे फ्री में कर रहे थे.
This is dioxin or whatever. You can click on convert to molecule.
सर की तरफ है वो है जो खड़े रहते हैं ना चिल्लाते हैं. आपको कुछ चलेगा भाई, जिसका नहीं आ रहा चोरी.
And you can also simulate this molecule as well.
How to get the specific number of molecules?
Specific
Specific number of molecules if you want to add. How to specify the number?
Sir, is it possible to export any structure in XYZ format from NanoTcal view, graphical user interface?
Yeah, definitely. You can see here export, and you can click on PNG, XYZ, CIF. This format you can export your graph, this structure.
Okay.
Just click on file
Just click on file option.
click on export
Click on
option,
export option.
मिल जाएगा ना उनको भी
Okay.
and then this save type is there. PNG XYZ CIF, which format you want to save, you can save it. You can save it.
Okay. And it is also possible for any material which I build.
Yes, definitely.
तो क्लियर हो जाएगा कि हम डिवाइस बना
Okay.
देंगे मान के चलो
क्वेश्चन हम करेंगे कवर पूरा करेंगे
डिवाइस बना देंगे उनको जब क्लियर नहीं हुआ ना
So basically
So basically number of atoms as somebody was asking.
Not number of atoms, it's number of molecules. If we want to add 100 water molecules, then how to specify the numbers?
करके सर दिखाई नहीं रहे मॉलिक्यूल में वहां से हम 100 या 1000 कर सकते हैं मॉलिक्यूल में
Sir, you build the band structure input for silver gold, but the job is running. Then it is possible to build the inputs and keep it in queue.
Yes, definitely simulation is running and you can import in the meantime any other material.
No. You have built the input for band structure for silver gold and keep it in queue. Is it possible that before completion of job I can build the input and keep it in queue?
Can you repeat what did you say?
I said that before completion of job I can build the band structure input and keep it in queue.
Yes, definitely. Definitely.
Okay.
Yeah.
वही जाके देते
सर क्यों इतना सोच रहे हैं कहाँ हम कह रही है कि मैं 100 नंबर अब करना चाहूँ तो नहीं कर लूंगी वहाँ जाइए ना बिल्ड में जाइए मॉलिक्यूल में जाइए
चला जाओ चला जाए
कितने भी ऐड कर सकते हैं सर क्या दिखाना समझ नहीं रहे हैं सर लग रहा है
Now here you can
see the atoms is displayed in this particular numbering.
Okay.
So which atom
particular atom you want to see it. The numbering is done like that.
You're adding molecules.
वो ऐड करना चाहती हूँ
Sorry?
Suppose if you're adding molecules.
Just a minute.
Deepak, can you share your screen? One minute. My colleague is there, which can share the screen and explore you.
आप में सॉफ्टवेयर ही नहीं है तो कैसे
अच्छा चल ठीक है चालू हो सकता
मेरा स्लो चलेगा नॉट रिस्पॉन्डिंग
उसके बाद ही चलाया तो सब ओपन है ना एक सेकंड हो जाएगा शायद
Just a minute.
Okay.
बोल देना चाहिए
I want to show you this molecule here.
This is molecular
molecular builder.
Okay.
Here you can create
your molecule.
Like I have selected
hydrogen atom.
Then again
added the new element.
and added this
H2O element.
This is there two
hydrogen and one oxygen.
Okay.
And we have to
define the XYZ coordinate points as well.
Okay.
So I am doing that. You can see this preview. One minute.
If it is a difficult complex molecule, it will be difficult, right?
No, it will not be
difficult. In our current new version, the complex molecule can also be created, like you create in ChemDraw.
Similar kind of
molecule can be created. It is possible. It will not be difficult.
Okay.
We have a new
builder updated in 22 version currently, which will come about to
where you can also draw
any complicated structure.
This is like H2O
molecule I have built it, but whenever there are bi-layer molecule, 3 layers are there,
that can also be created.
It is possible.
कौन सा ऑप्शन था सही था उनके पहले इतना और जो क्वेश्चन रह गया था क्या था
So this is like
molecule that has builded. Similarly, any complicated molecule, new molecular builder is already released even to the 22 version.
Okay. Thank you.
Let me show you. This is
molecule 2D builder.
Here you can
define your
shape.
That penta, scene, hexagonal shape.
You can draw
cyclohexyl.
In your version 22.
In your version 21 version is not there, but this is about to release. 22 version. In 21 version it is not there. You can see how it is singly draw.
And different
options are there.
So this builder is
there. Molecule builder. 2D, 3D, any type of molecule can be built.
And this is two
molecule file is generated.
You can
import this one.
And then you can define
some
atom. You can add
more hydrogen atom like that. You can build.
You can add multiple
element model viewer is there.
You can add this
random fragments are there, like
tri,
bi, double bond, triple bond.
So this can create
your any type of even complex molecular builder as well, like that. You can see.
Want to increase the number means we have to extend it in X and Y direction, as you told me.
Definitely.
You can see
anything molecule can be built like that.
Okay.
So I think in
today's session, I have explained basic features, basic idea.
And now I request to the participant, you can ask your questions, queries, and tomorrow we will discuss about advanced features. You can type your questions in the chat box also. We have already provided the line.
Tomorrow there is session on device building.
We will cover up tomorrow, ma'am.
Okay.
gallium arsenide. Software.
Yes, definitely. Can you
Nothing. Make the structure to be naphthalene.
other molecule is also there were two studies.
Software and rescue tool we have.
For advanced materials
Teacher will be there.
will be there. This will cover up
That will discuss later on in next video.
in next.
Can we use Qt features also?
Package that is specifically for spin qubit devices.
Devices, FEM simulation, final and method. So it is not integrated with this.
For MD, LAMS interface is there. For molecular dynamics, valid up to 1st of January. Till then, definitely you can ask the questions and we can
Like, so that we can exploit all the
Then we will try to give it to our participant.
you can contact me do more about
Tomorrow speaker will be there.
more questions today.
Only would like
Hello. Sir, can you interface Win2K with this? Sir, can you interface Win2K with this?
Win Bin2K interface is not there. But which
I
file
don't. Bin2K interface is not there, but which file in Bin2K generate?
that file, whatever Bin2K generate, that file.
So that file, whatever Bin2K generate, that file, if you want to import, then it is maybe possible like XYZ, CIF,
But there is one
extension I already told you. But there is one convert option is there. Where you can convert your maybe that file you can see here. This is a convert file option. Like py file, ATK py file, it can convert in XJW or XYZ. Then you can import it. The file can be converted if it is supported. That needs to be tried.
Okay. Sir, what extra features this software has compared to Bin2K or VAS?
Device calculation.
Bin2K cannot perform device calculation. That is only for specific material labels. They don't have a user interface properly. You have to write the script. They cannot do the bending of the structures and parallel calculations. And VAS is also only for material simulation. The tomorrow session that we have device label, which nobody software can do apart from ATK and this one.
Sir, if you want to purchase this, what is the like approximate
if you want
to purchase this, what is the like approximate price?
Number of licenses.
Price is dependent on the like number of licenses, number of years of licenses, 1 year license, 3 year,
minimum like
permanent, 5 year like that. So minimum like 2.5 lakhs is required for 1 year. Then dependent on the requirement and your budget. So you can contact us for the pricing if you need. You can contact us.
Suitable for solar cell? Do you think this is suitable for solar cell from material to device simulation? Complete solar cell from material to device.
Yeah, atomic level photocurrent calculations can be possible in this tool.
Atomic level.
Okay.
Device level photocurrent is there at atomic level. But at you want to simulate at micro level, like layer by layer structure you want to simulate. And then we have other tools that from Laxmi is there for perovskite, tandem, organic thin film kind of simulation. This tool is not for perovskite or tandem at micro level. Atomic level, atomic structure is possible. But at layered by structure, one dimensional or FEM simulation cannot be done.
DFT calculation.
It is totally dependent on DFT calculations.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Sir, is this interface study will be providing RDF? Sir, is this interface study will be providing RDF plots, mask and sticker files or something? Can we generate
interface study?
Can we generate RDF plots? If you are considering some marble layer, RDF radial distribution.
Which plot?
Or something. RDF radial distribution function. RDF.
I don't know about it.
Radius distribution functions. I don't know about it. I have to see it. Then only I will be able to comment.
To cancel a job or to stop running, what should be done? To cancel a job or to stop running, what should be done? To cancel a job or to stop run. To cancel a job or to stop run.
सर दिखाएंगे ना, मैंने प्रोजेक्ट नहीं किया है, सर को बोलिए कि वो दिखाएं। इसलिए मैं तुरंत कर दिया।
उन्होंने किया, अभी उन्होंने किया
सर।
The download stop button is there, no?
The download stop button is there, no?
You can click on stop, it will stop. Like,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
You can click on stop, it will stop. Like, let me stop it. Do you want to cancel the job?
Cancel it.
Yes,
Sir,
then it will get
from
cancelled.
where we can get this force field files? Force field. Where we can get this
Which one?
force field files? Force field. Force field.
मैं दिखा रहा हूँ।
Force field. Force field. Like pseudo potential basis set alone. Is there any folder for that particular folder?
Yeah. Pseudo potential, definitely.
Yeah. Pseudo potential, definitely. Where
Pseudo potential force field.
Able to understand.
EF2RCE force field.
able to understand.
EF2RCE force field. We have for MD calculations. There one option we have.
मैं दिखा दूँ। जी या फिर हमें
I think it will be there in this particular folder.
It will be there in this particular folder. This one.
Your lamp start.
Your lamp start.
Okay. fine.
Okay, so in this particular folder,
Okay, thank you.
हमें सुबह आए सुबह से तो पूरा सर्टिफिकेट ही चाहिए बस बाबू साहब को तो कोई बात नहीं है दे देंगे पीएचडी हो चुकी है उनकी थीसिस सबमिट कर रहे हैं उसके बाद ये प्रोफेसर बने कह रहे हैं प्रोफेसर
Any other participants have any more questions?
any other participants have any more questions?
Sir, in Windows, if from command line, is it possible to show in how many cores it is running?
License version parallel.
Yeah, definitely. Once that license version, parallel license version, you can also see that how many cores are utilizing of your server. This is serial one, but in parallel license it is possible.
Yeah,
Okay,
basically
okay.
the interface size for your device studio.
Yeah, basically the interface size for your device studio.
But if you
This
want to
device
run the
studio is
calculation
support on
Ubuntu
Windows.
or any other
But
Linux
if you want to
version,
run the calculation
then
on Ubuntu or any other Linux
background
version,
calculation can be
then
run.
NanoDecal
But interface will not be
background
there.
calculation
For
can be
interface
run.
purpose,
But
you have to
interface will
use
not be
Windows.
there. For
For
interface
calculation,
purpose,
either
you have to use Windows.
or
For
Linux.
calculation, either you can
Or
use
even macOS
Windows
can also be
or
supported.
Linux. Or even macOS can also be supported.
अब इन लोगों ने रजिस्टर किया इसमें सारे लोग तो फिर रजिस्टर करेंगे अब तो यार तुम करोगे ना कैसे तब ये
If
गारंटी
any other question, then kindly
कुछ
please
लोगों को
ask.
बोलेंगे कि
If any other question, then kindly please ask.
My colleague will
Otherwise,
be there.
we will discuss tomorrow.
Explain you
My
more
colleague will be
advanced
there.
feature. You
He
can also
will
ask your questions.
explain you more advanced feature. You can
tomorrow's
also
session
ask
as
your
well.
questions in tomorrow's session as well.
So kindly show how to build show how to build nano junction, that is two monolayers, transition metal dichalcogenides, this type of materials.
Okay, okay, definitely, definitely.
That is MOS2WSE2.
It will be covered. My
That is MOS2WSE2, this type of heterojunction, how to build.
Tomorrow's session it will be covered.
okay, okay. So tomorrow's session it will be covered. Tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So thank you once again to all the participants to give your time.
So thank you
and
once
attending
again to
this
all the
session.
participants to
Make it
give your
wonderful.
time and attending this session. Make it wonderful. And kindly please be on time and join the session.
Discuss by tomorrow.
And
My colleague will be there.
we'll discuss by
Take your
tomorrow. My
questions
colleague will be there.
try to
He will
justify
also take your questions and
Thank you once
try
again.
to justify
Thank you,
you. So thank you once again. Thank you everyone.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Myself, Ramesh from IIT.
Excuse me, sir. Myself, Ramesh from IIT Guwahati. Sir, we want some technical support for the we are listen that talk with both myself and Deepika Bardwaj, and we are unable to do the parts that
So no issue, we will
simulation
share
part.
you the videos, some already videos.
So no issue. We will share you the videos. Some
have
already
on our
videos we will share you that we have on our YouTube channel.
Okay,
And
sir.
you can follow it and you can taste it.
Okay, sir. We listened all the things and we noted down in the notebook also. And thanks for your nice talk and your kind concern also. Thank you, sir.
In YouTube, you can type @Impulse Technology. You can find our channel. And you
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. YouTube Impulse Impulse Technology. Okay, sir.
@Impulse Technology. You
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot and for your kind response.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much.
चलिए ठीक है हो गया आईआईटी गुवाहाटी में जो सेशन हुआ था ना उसमें तुम्हारा फैन हो गया तुम्हारे सॉफ्टवेयर को देख के कौन ये रमेश